Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Pass or Buy. Stuck the landing. Here on Pass or Buy, we travel around and find vehicles that pique our interest, and then we look at some pros and we look at some cons, and we decide if we're gonna pass or buy. Right here we have a 61, 62-ish, give or take a year, International pick-em-up truck. This is a very hard to find truck. It is a 6 International 100 model. She's a buck even. She's got a V because she's probably got a V8 in her. Now you may be thinking, Puddin', what caught your eye about this thing? What makes you even want to possibly buy this? For one, she is an International, and well, y'all know I got a soft spot in my heart for those things. For two, she's a little quirky camper shell, you know. Looks like it may have been homemade, maybe not. And the mirrors, and yeah, I've been known to like some quirky stuff myself, like Yeehaws or Datsun King delivery rigs. 3, she simply looks tough, guys. This truck has a look to it that says, you want to fist fight me, I'll stomp a mud hole in your ass. So those are some reasons why she kind of catches my eye. But let's look at some pros and let's look at some cons of what we're working with here. We'll start with cons, since we just made it to the front end, and half the fenders and valence and probably core support as well is seemingly missing. In rust we trust, okay? Big holes, no problems.
Or for all you SEMA people, SEMA lovers, it's that Bluetooth park light.
Yeah. What's another con of this rig? She does look fairly complete, but well, hell, she's fairly complete. I guess that ain't a con. You gotta find some glass for her, and that's about it. Or the window just may be rolled down. She's missing a tire. There's a con. Another con, someone hit her with a rattle can attack at one point. Them damn geese don't know we're down here recording. We're not gonna talk about cons back here. I don't know what y'all's talking about. Oh, there's a con. I was born in 91. This truck was last tagged in 92.
I don't know what that is, but something like that.
You damn right. She's got a cubby hole on her. There's just, I'm trying to think of cons, and there's just so many pros about this thing.
Or the fact you can crawl through if you want. You don't even have to get out of the truck.
Is that connected?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's connected.
Get back here and make you a sandwich.
I have Ashley back here, the girls back here. Y'all hush up when Daddy's driving. Oh, there's another con. Can't even get in the damn passenger door. She's hopeless. Boy, that does have one wild look to it.
That looks cool.
So let's review some pros, perhaps. Pro, she's a short bed. Pro, she's got a cool look to her, even though someone hit her with a rattle can attack and patina ain't perfect and the front end's rusted off. Who gives a hoot? I started saying damn, but I was trying not to say damn, so we changed it to hoot. Another pro, part of the National Rifle Association. Yeah, we could have guessed by the camper shell, sir. What do you say we pop the hood on this sweet old rig, Slick?
Let's see if we can get her open.
Oh, she's an International. She'll open. She ain't like them stubborn Chevys.
I like you going with Fords, but...
Oh, baby. There she is. Got the V8 in her. I bet she'd run. I don't know diddly about this truck, but I bet she'll run. She got a hydraulic clutch on her. These things came with hydraulic clutches. Well, I guess 62. She got the power brakes on her. She got the brake line that is also a coil helping to cool the brake fluid for maximum stopping power. And then when your engine sits so high and forward that your carburetor's way up here, you just got to offset your air cleaner so it actually looks like it's centered in the engine bay. You also got to offset her because if it came forward, it'd hit this 3-foot tall water neck that International designed.
The 2-window one. What the crap's going on with that? The dash kind of looks like a screen or something. It's kind of crazy.
Oh, she's basically got a touch screen in her.
Basically.
Got a damn USB port charger right there. I'm just playing. I think it's some clock thing, but still. I was like, man, she is touch screen futuristic. She is futuristic. We got a horn button. clamped to the steering column. At this point, this thing's basically a futuristic damn spaceship. Here I noticed some freshly chipped paint, thus leading me to believe that D&H used that fancy loaders of theirs and gave this thing a whammy. I could be wrong. I make no solid accusations here. Outside rocker's easy fix. She could use some floor pans. Hell, she comes with an extra ignition. I don't know what that is. It's so fogged over, you can't even see it. Oh, she's got the Buick radio, the Sonomatic. She's got a custom dash right there. Hell, she's got keys. That's a pro.
She's got keys. She'll run.
Oh man, I don't know. It is a cool truck. Don't get me wrong there. I just already have the Travelall. I've got the C900 chop truck. We just bought that 59 International, also from D&H Classics. And I don't think, not to mention the Lodestar, that's gonna be built as soon as we get in the bigger shop where it can fit. So you tally up all them Internationals, and I don't think we need another this series anyhow. We may have to find something else, but not one of these. Now Slick, on the other hand, don't have an International yet.
I just bought I got that C30 though. I gotta work on that thing.
As much as I'd love to have her in the collection, as much as I'd like to own it, even if it was just for some yard art to like slap a logo on and set her next to the garden or something. Hell, I don't know, you know. Someone can daydream, I guess. Pass her by. I know I've showed y'all this truck before, but it's always in the back of my mind, and I keep eyeballing it and eyeballing it and eyeballing it. But at the end of the day, us buying that 59 International Mr. Mercer, it pretty well sealed the deal on this one not getting purchased. She was a close runner-up though. I mean, there's that one point where I really brainstormed on this thing. I actually can't believe that no one else has purchased this thing yet, since it's been on video a couple times. Shuts like a brand new door. Dang, didn't even notice she had the little swooping vent on top. Anyhow, that concludes this episode of Passerby. Not the best video we've ever done, guys, but y'all know it's the holidays, and I want to get y'all a little something fun, and we're out here having fun. So that's it. Of course, if you ain't checked out the main channel, check out the main channel. Instagram, Patreon, what else? Merchandise is closing down here shortly for a couple weeks. During the end of December, we'll be up and running hot after the 1st of January. And I will see you guys next time. But don't forget. Oh. Don't forget. All right, Slick, I'm too embarrassed. You just finish them out. I'm done.
I can't now. Don't forget, sitting on your butt won't finish your project.
Sitting on your ass. Y'all know every once in a while I gotta hit them high notes. Well, I don't know where the hell I'm going with their pry bar, like I need that or something. Hot damn, there's so much BS-ery, we had to start a whole channel for all the extras. Be sure to go check out Puddin's Fab Shop if you ain't seen that baby yet. Come on! Yeah, baby. Nice little dance session, get the blood flowing, all right? First official dance session in the new shop. Let's head outside.